Some people say, what about merit? Right? That's the big fraud that is perpetrated on our country. We need merit. But where are we serious about merit? The idea that a judiciary must be representative is an idea well established globally. That judiciaries must be representative of the people because, you see, famously Justice Sonia Sotomayor of the US Supreme Court, before she became a judge, made a speech. I believe it was 4 times she repeated it. She said, as a poor Latina woman, I will make a better judge than a white man. And the white men, some of them objected. And she said, no, I'm not going to take it back. Because I've had, as a woman, I've had a life experience that no man has had. As a Latina, I've had a life experience that no white man has had, and so on and so forth. So when you make decisions, we want everyone's experience to be at the table and make sure that everyone's concern is addressed. So some people say, what about merit? Right? That's the big fraud that is perpetrated on our country. We need merit. But where are we serious about merit? So if we were serious about merit in the judiciary, do we have a definition of what are the criteria for a Supreme Court judge or a High Court judge other than the qualifications? You have to have certain age and you got to be breathing and you must have a pulse, and so on. So how can you say there is merit when you haven't defined the criteria of what are the qualities that you need? So if we want merit, let's take it seriously and let's recognize that diversity of experience for individuals and institutions is essential in the idea of merit. It's essential in the idea of merit. And so we need a representative judiciary at all levels. And I think this judgment is one of the most powerful arguments that we need reservation in the Supreme Court.